Okay, we have an inventory of chainsaw carvings here that we're going to wholesale. So I'm going to go through and give a small description of each. So we have small trees, and we have 10 that are under 20 inches. And we have one here. This looks like it was on the bench when the store closed because it doesn't have a urethane finish on it. So it's a natural finish. It's just over 24 inches. And then we have here something that we would be able to carve a person's name in, like the Johnsons. And this is 34 inches. Another wall art, double tree, 27 inches, and a mystic man of the woods, 19 inches, and another mystic man of the woods. He's a smaller piece, he's only like 10 inches, and some 2 cub bears. 18, 2 of them, a wall plaque that could be the Johnsons. It's 35 inches, and a stump bear, a waving stump bear, 22 inches. Suggested retail back in 2008, $99. And a welcome a welcome beaver, 33 inches. A sleeping bear, 22 inches. A bat. So we were at a Halloween function, so I did a couple of Halloween pieces. 21 inches. And then a spider, which is acting as a fire pit right now for the marshmallow bear. Marshmallow bear, 17 inches, maybe 16. And suggested $189 for the marshmallow bear, suggested retail. And we have 6 desktop organizer beavers. Oh, I gotta get the pencils. Okay, so the desktop organizer, so you got a little spot for a pencil behind the tooth. There's 4 wells for pencils in front of the tail behind their head, and a slot for cards or letters or whatever, and a little well underneath them for paper clips. So we got 6 of them, and suggested retail $75. Wholesale considerably less. And then we have a Orca, and the Orca just over 31, just over 31 inches. It is a pretty good carving, but it cracked. So on the opposite side, there is a fissure. I filled it with wood, try to match the grain as much as possible there, but it got pretty difficult to match elsewhere. So it came down. This is all wood filled, so there's no putty, wood filled. Did crack, but heck, it's still good on one side. And the Dolphin doesn't have any fissures in it. Oh, there's a little tiny one down there. Pretty small. But it's the Dolphin is doing pretty good. Dolphin's a little bit bigger. Dolphin's almost 40 inches. And it's doweled for the fin, and I don't know if you call this a fin, but it's also doweled. Then what you do is you make the fin first, and then you stencil around it or draw around your fin, and then you just do a router. And the dowel placement. So it turned out pretty good. And there they are. So I'll have to come up with some kind of number to wholesale all these.